Sometimes I get product reviews that are just flat out fun. Case in point, Tesla Emblems. Let's take a look at what they sent me and see what kind of fun is to be had inside this envelope. A lot of product reviews are serious, you know, best floor mats and phone chargers and all that stuff. This is just for fun, to add your own unique personality to your Tesla. Add an Easter egg to your Tesla that only you know about, except for one case, at Superchargers. Let me show you what they sent me here. Keycard Wraps is just one of the many products that Tesla Emblems has at their website. They've even got full Tesla Cybertruck wraps, believe it or not. But for us common folk that don't have a Cybertruck, they've got, Tesla keycard decals, they've got Tesla logo decals, and they've got these Keycard Wraps, which they sent me here. So let's take a look what's inside this envelope and go put it on the car and see how it looks. If you like this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell anytime you want to see something new. And we've got your coupon code down below for a discount on Tesla Emblems. All right, let's rip this thing open and see what we got from Tesla Emblems. They sent me a bunch of different items to try out. First of which, we've got the Death Star for our charge port on our Tesla Model 3. Now, they do offer two kinds because, believe it or not, I don't know if you knew this, there are two types of charge ports. One that is non-heated, I don't know if you could see that. That's for my older Model 3. And then this one, look at this, the plaid for the heated charge port. So we're going to be putting this one on my Tesla Model Y Performance, and we're going to be putting the Death Star on my Tesla Model 3 without the heat. So there's two different kinds when you're shopping for all that stuff. Also, check this out. To match, they sent me a Death Star card to match my charge port. That's pretty cool. As well as a plaid to match the plaid. That is pretty spiffy. I like that. Oh, this is pretty cool. I can tell you right away this is pretty cool. They sent me the logo for my steering wheel, and they send you two, a spare or practice. So that's kind of cool. A little peace of mind so that when you're putting this thing on, if you mess it up, you got a second chance. Everyone likes second chances, right? All right, let's go throw the Death Star on my car. Remember, while you're installing this, you have to do the Imperial Death March, right? Dun, 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 dun. That one. You know what it is. Just open the package for my charge port wrap, and this is really cool. They give you a practice detail with all the instructions on it first. So install this one first, and then do it for real, and hopefully all will be good. Also inside the package is a little cloth, presumably alcohol wipe, to clean the charge port, as well as a little squeegee. So they give you everything that you need to make sure this install goes smoothly. Practice decal, all the stuff, all the directions. I love it. All right, so let's just do a little before shot. This is, of course, you know, everybody knows the standard Tesla charging port. Kind of boring black. It's got the logo there, which is lit up, and then for some reason we've got these weird little, marks and stuff. I have a feeling it's from the inside of the door here. It looks like it matches up to there. So anyway, that's the before shot. So one tip I will share is make sure that you open the charge port and then begin working on it. And what I mean by that is don't let this stay up too long and then begin working, because it's going to close down on you. Get a fresh open before you start putting the sticker on. Okay, so I'm leaving my door open so that way I can open the charge port a lot easier by just doing this. And now we've got a reset on that. All right, I'm going to give this a shot with the test decal that they give us. Number one, clean and dry your charge port and your hands. I have done that. Then peel the decal away from the paper backing. I'll do that in a second. The test decal, kind of getting shiny here, has two cutouts for the Tesla logo here, the non-heated and the heated. I'm going for the non-heated on this particular car, so the left side of this Tesla tooth, I guess. So then in number two, we're going to line the T and the bottom corner right here. Then three, check the alignment of the charger cutout, which is going to be over here. And then finally, using the application tool, which is the squeegee, we'll do the rest of the install. So here we go. This is so satisfying. Ooh, everybody loves that. Ooh, don't want to mess up that part where the door comes out. There we go. what that's going to look like, and that's what I was talking about, the door closing down on you. So you kind of have to time out your installation. I just hit it with a hairdryer one more time. It did close back on me, so this is a perfect time to install the real thing. Door closed on me. Again, I left my door open and just touch here, and now we've got a reset, so we're going to peel this one back. This is the Death Star. Not yet completed Death Star, but yet fully operational. So go ahead and just peel that back. Be careful of this part here. You don't want to rip that. And then toss that aside. I'm holding it from the bottom here. I'm going to put these parts in first around the door. Yep, there it goes. Okay. So now we'll reset that. And now we can really get it fine-tuned, especially here on the top. There you go. Tesla Emblems is the place to personalize your ride with the secret Easter eggs hidden behind the charge port, for instance. And they've got a ton of choices. Everything from Pokemon to Star Wars. I mean, you name it. Just go through the list, find something that you like, and personalize your charge port with TeslaEmblems.com. An Easter egg that only you know about, except for when you're charging. The Death Star? Fully operational, but not complete. I love this. Very, very cool stuff. Let's take a look at what it looks like with the charger in it. There we go. Plugging into the Death Star. What's going to happen? That's pretty spiffy if you ask me. Look at that. And obviously a Supercharger is going to look the same. And of course, the best place to show off your personalized Easter egg customization from TeslaEmblems.com, the Supercharger, of course. Check it out right there, showing up for everybody to see. And they're all wondering, are you on the dark side or not? And here it is in all its dark-sided glory, the unfinished, but still operational Death Star. There we go, all set. Pop that in, and your Easter egg and personalization is hidden again from TeslaEmblems.com. Grab our coupon code and our discount down in the description.